Can you give us a feel for or what you mean by God, and why you think it's more rational to believe than not to believe?
I think that minimally, God can be defined as a transcendent creator and designer of the universe who is the locus of absolute goodness. And I would say that contemporary physics, when compared to the physics of a generation ago, is more open to the existence of a transcendent creator and designer of the universe than at any time in recent memory. In the scientific as well as philosophical literature, you find discussions of the beginning of the universe and the possibility of a transcendent personal creator and fine tuner of the universe who sets the fundamental constants and quantities of nature that are so inexplicable on an atheistic perspective. So I do believe that accompanying this renaissance in Christian philosophy, there is following in its train a similar openness in the hard sciences toward the theistic views of the world.